You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me smile like the sun.
Happy birthday, Adrian!
Hi.
Ano?
Hi, birthday.
Anong opposite ng I hate you? Tapos, ano?
Wait, more birthday to come.
Yeah, mag-birthday ko pa.
Yeah.
And I like Bianca. She's nice. Di ba nami-meet ni Zay, pero I'm sure pag na-meet niya, she's going to like her too.
Yeah.
Happy birthday and enjoy. Bye-bye.
Adrian, happy birthday. Sana ngayong 23 ka na, aminin mo na bakla tayong lahat. Lalo na ikaw. Please, aminin mo na. Pakis nga. Seryoso na. Sana ngayong birthday mo, happy ka. Sana walang magbabago sa'yo. Walang magbago sa'yo. Kahit lolo na tayo, baklain pa din all the time. And happy 23rd birthday. Ay, 22nd pala. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello bro. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo at sana ma-challenge ka ng buhay. Tsaka I wish na maging successful ka sa lahat. Ayun lang. And sana pakasalan mo na si Bianca. Happy birthday bro. Salamat.
Dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile.
Happy birthday, Adrian. Stay in love with Bianca. Have a blessed.
Hi, Tropa. First of all, happy birthday. Buti na lang, friends na kami ng artistahin mong girlfriend, kaya kahit malayo ko, nakasama ako sa pag-greet sa'yo. Anyway, medyo nahirapan ako na mag-isip kung anong i-wish for you, kasi you have everything na naman. You have a loving family, awesome friends, and a really blooming love life. And you deserve everything that you have right now because you are such an amazing person. Isa ka sa pinakatotoong taong nakilala ko who is not afraid to cry when he gets hurt. Who gives the most matured advices. Who is very family-oriented and a gentleman who is always there pag kailangan. So, don't ever change that. I was there when you got your heart broken and even stayed with you till 11 p.m. or so sa Jollibee Paseo kasi ayaw mo pang umuwi at malulungkot ka, so I would break my curfew and give silly excuses to my parents para lang damayan ka kasi that's the first time and hopefully the last time na makita kitang umiyak. Para na kitang kapatid, tropa, that you even let me drive your Civic hanggang sa kanto ng Lasal. Sabi mo kasi wala pa akong lisensya, so hanggang dun lang muna. You never did question me tungkol sa mga choices that I made. You accepted me for who I really am, and you were one of the first persons that I confided with tungkol sa isa sa pinaka malaking part ng buhay ko. And despite knowing it, hindi ka naging judgmental sa akin. And for that, thank you. Thank you for being such a great person. For being a great friend and for being a great part of my life. So, happy birthday ulit, tropa. Miss na kita, bossing. I'll see you soon, and I love you, tropa.
Adrian, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Adrian!
Ketchup lover, happy birthday!
85 ka na, Adrian. Tanda mo na.
Love you, A.
Kailan ka pumunta dito?
Peace, man.
Happy birthday!
Ano masasabi mo, Win?
Mahal na mahal kita, A.
That's
Ano masasabi mo?
Ketchup lover, happy birthday!
Bye, Adrian!
Bye, happy birthday!
Adrian, happy birthday. Wish ko lang yung syempre magkaroon ka ng magandang buhay. At hindi lang buhay, pati na rin sa trabaho mo. Good luck sa trabaho. And sana mag-grow pa yung relationship nyo ni Bianca. And ayun, ingat ka lang palagi. God bless. Ayun.
Go.
Hi, Adrian.
Hi, do you know who we are?
Yes, who?
2, 3.
Hello. Happy birthday! Woo!
Party,
It's a special day!
Yeah!
Happy birthday, bro. Party. Naman tayo. Bawal niyo malaman. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, A!
Yan. Mapagpapakabait ka lang lagi.
Saka nag-ano mabuti si Bianca. Stay strong and be happy.
Ingat.
Happy birthday!
Even when you're gone, somehow you come along just like a flower poking through the sidewalk crack. And just like that, you steal away the rain. And just like that, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Don't know how I live without you, 'cause every time that I get around you, I see the best of me inside your eyes. You make me smile.
Happy birthday, bro!
Hey Adrian, happy birthday! Thank you for being my friend for almost 5 years. And sorry for ate ka namin Nakakate. Bakit ba? Sorry kung marati ka na inaasar na matanda ka na. Tagal mo na kasing nabubuhay. So, my life. We just wanted to say happy birthday because it's your birthday. So, happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday! Basketball tayo ulit minsan, ha? College days, no? Dark green. And so, stay God-fearing and God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hey bro, musta? Pag may kailangan ka, tawag ka lang, ha? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya A! Love, Ate Bianca more. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, bro. Bro, happy birthday. Ayun, super thank you sa lahat. Good times or bad times, lagi kayo nandyan, bro. College days pa lang, talagang andyan na kanila Kuya Hines, nagbibigay sa amin advices, lalo na sa mga major subjects, sa sobrang hirap, sobrang hassle. Hanggang ngayon, after school, talagang ganun pa rin, close pa rin, talagang nagkakasama-sama pa rin, bro. Thank you sa lahat, sa good times na talagang nakakasama ka namin, Sa bad times, talagang hindi ka naubusan ng advices din para sa akin, bro. And, ayun, wish you more success in your future, sa work mo, bro, and sa family, bro. Wish you all the happiness in life, bro. Ayun, ingat palagi, bro. God bless. Saludo.
Hi, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life na now that you're graduated na rin already. Wish you good luck in your career, good luck in everything that you do. I'm very thankful that I have a friend like you, especially those times na magkasabay pa ako sa'yo before kasi diba same area lang tayo na kung saan tayo nakatira, diba? Thank you for those times, yung kwentuhan, everything. Nakakamiss na nga, nakakamiss na rin ng school, nakakamiss kayo. And yun, I wish you you may enjoy this day. And sana nagustuhan mo tong ginawa ng love mo sa'yo. Yan, sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung love niyo ni B. I know na you would stick together, and I pray na maging forever na yan, diba? So, yun, regards din sa family mo, yun, sa sister mo. And yun, I just wish you all the best, happiness and peace in life. And stay as humble, as gentleman, as industrious you are right now. And I know that God will bless you always in everything that you do. Yun, so kapatid, God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat ka palagi. Bye!
If ever I stray from the path I follow, take me down to the English Channel, throw me in where the water is shallow, and then drag me out back to shore. 'Cause love is free and life is cheap, and as long as I've got me a place to sleep, some clothes on my back and some food to eat, then I can't ask for anything more. So come on everybody, sing a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayan, alright. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Uy, sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Tapos, lagi kang magiging mabait dahil ikaw, isa sa pinakamabait ko naging friends sa Lasal. Napaka-memorable ng college life ko dahil sa'yo, tsaka sa mga friends natin. Ikaw, lagi kang mag-iingat, tsaka huwag kang magbabago sana para napakabait mo. Lagi mo kayo pinapasaya, hindi ka napipikon. Tsaka, masaya ako para sa maganda mong trabaho, sa maganda mong love life. Tsaka, for sure, marami pang blessings darating sa'yo, ha? Happy birthday! Tsaka, enjoy pare. Enjoy your day pare. We're all young pa. Alright, sige ha. Ingat!
Uy, Adrian, happy birthday. Yun, tanda mo na. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo magkakabash. And, you know, wish you all the best. And, happy birthday, good luck, and God bless.
Birthday, Kuya A! Ilan taon ka na? Hindi ko alam! Ingatan mo si Ate Bianca. More birthdays to come. Wait, si Kuya naman. Bye!
Kuya, game ikaw.
Hey, what's up, A? Happy birthday to you! Balita ko, natulog ka daw nung ibang inuman. So, thank you. Hindi ka natulog sa birthday namin. Happy birthday!
Hi, A. Happy birthday. Bro. Happy birthday, bro. Para lang may kasama si Pep.
You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild.
Hi Adrian, happy birthday. Na-assign lang magbigay ng message sa'yo. Anyway, yung message ko sa'yo is I'd like to, siyempre, lahat naman ng news ko is for you to succeed in this career sa WebC. Saka siyempre, more birthdays to come. Ano ko lang is sana yung mag-excel ka pa dun sa work mo ngayon. You have to improve dun sa work. And I hope yung mga plano mo at saka dreams mo sa career and sa personal life ay ma-meet mo. More success, more birthdays to come, and hopefully yung mga dreams mo and mga plans mo.
Birthday dream!
more blessing to come and good health.
Seryoso ah. Baby. Okay nga, Sir Barry. Dali na i-edit naman.
Happy birthday. More birthday to come. You're the man. Okay na.
Happy birthday, Sir Adrian. Galingan mo. Ingat ka lagi. Thank you for being sweet friends. Happy birthday!
Hindi ka birthday mo sa Friday ah. Ano ba, libre mo? Well, happy birthday. Wishing you more success sa career mo. And happiness sa love life. Mama. Sir Barry, ka na. Sir Barry message.
Para kanina.
Birthday niya sa Friday.
Yeah.
Adrian.
Wala akong masasabi kung hindi. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. You are so good. You are handsome. Sayang nga lang, ilidan kasi si Paula. Joke. Happy birthday. All the best. Thank you.
Hey na.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Adrian. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Adrian. Ihanda mo ang iyong song number sa summit para manalo ang admin, ha? Bye.
Hello.
Bye. Happy birthday. God bless.
Yun lang.
Hi!
Happy birthday.
Hi, baby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yun lang.
More
Nagagaling ako
music
sa
to comes. Good health.
To comes? Blessings.
Sir, ano masasabi niyo ulit kay Adrian?
Pare, you're the man.
You're the man.
Bye-bye.
Oh, beauty queen.
You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Me smile.
Ayan, si Utoy.
Hi, Adrian. Happy birthday. Sana mag-asawa ka na rin.
Lagot ka sa mama mo.
Lagot.
Okay yung grades mo ah.
Sana magkaapon.
Go! Greet ka kay Adrian. Happy birthday.
Adrian, happy birthday. Sana malasing mo kami.
Ikaw, Mel.
Happy birthday po.
Diba, Riz?
Adrian, happy birthday!
Adrian, happy birthday. Anong handa natin?
Hi, happy birthday. 22, 23. 22 ka na. Ano muna? Wow, huwag mo na mag-asawa. Ano muna? Pling-pling. Pling-pling lang yun. Ano muna yun, di ba? Ganun lang yun. Pero huwag muna totoo. Yun. Kasi dapat mga 5 years to 8 years paghanda mo para pagka ano na, go na si Bianca. Di ba, Bianca? Happy birthday! Huwag ka magbabago. Always humble to yourself. At lagi mo kami alalahanin. Nandito lang kami. Si mama mo always nandyan. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Adrian, happy birthday.
Hi,
Stay
Kuya.
simple and humble.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Happy 22nd birthday. Wish you more blessings. What more can you ask for pa ba?
Stay pogi.
Stay foggy and humble. Be proud of you. In behalf of Tito Jaime and Jan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy smile. Be happy.
Happy birthday, Adrian, from Maya's family. Yeah. Blow out. Blow out. Blow out. Kailangan kami na. Blow out.
Happy birthday, Adrian. Alagaan mo kapatid ko, ah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday kay Adrian.
Umpisa na.
Hi Adrian, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Good health.
God bless.
God bless.
Kuya, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and thank you for always being there for me, and thank you for being a very, very supportive kuya. Always remember that I'm always here for you no matter what happened, and you can always count on me. Thank you very much for everything, and I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kuya! Hello! Happy birthday! You are now 22 years old. So, kailangan responsible ka na. Wala na yung pa-baby-baby effect. At saka, kailangan be matured enough. Kuya, I'm so very proud of you. Kasi umabot ka ng 23 years old, wala akong naging problema sa'yo, kundi yung nagpag-alis-alis mo at darating ka ng umaga. Maaga ka naman dumarating eh. Umaga na. Anyway, just keep always, just take care of yourself. Tsaka, nagpapasalamat ako sa'yo so much sa binibigay mong loves kay Papa, sa akin, at kay Adrian, and also to your Lola. May dumadami kasi. Sana maputol mo yung mga dreams mo sa buhay. And someday, kung ano man yun, alam ko, makukuha mo yun. Keep up the good work. And yung relationship nyo ni Bianca, alagaan mo mabuti kasi nakikita ko you love each other so much. Sa work mo ngayon sa Pepsi, love your boss, respect, be hardworking, and be sincere sa pakikisama mo sa mga office mate mo, sa mga subordinate mo, and thank you so much because ikaw yung naging son ko. Pogi na, cute pa. Hehehe. Bye! Happy birthday again. O, saan pala gusto mong blow out? O, ito na lang yung blow out namin sa'yo. Thanks. God bless always.
Hi baby, happy birthday. I'm not gonna make this long, just read my letter. And I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing this. I love you very, very much, and happy birthday. Bye.